Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. It is a not a subtle, but it is an everyday go-to look that of mine, favorite look of mine that I do when I'm in a hurry or when I'm going out to the mall or I just don't want to put too much work into my face. And I'm going to show you how to recreate this look just now. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, like my content, interact with me in the comment sections. And yes, guys, I really appreciate my growing subscribers. Let's get to 100, get to 1,000, get to 100,000. So stay tuned and watch how to recreate this look. As you can see, I already started with the one eyebrow. I'm going to show you how to do the other eyebrow. So you're going to need a spoolie or mascara brush, an old mascara brush, and then what you want to do is just brush your hairs upwards. Bit of hair that's right here in the corner, I like to drag it in a different direction. You'll see why. Alright, now you're going to take your pencil. So okay, it's a bit blunt, so but it's fine. You're gonna take your pencil and then you're gonna start right in the middle of your brow, right there in the corner. It's called the arc of your brow. You know, you need, guys, when you're doing your brows, you need soft strokes. You don't want to do dark strokes because then your eyebrows are gonna look too dark and not really natural. Soft strokes from the middle of your brow. Right until where you feel the bone of your brow ends. Next, we are going to contour the brow with a flat concealer brush. I just like to flatten it out a bit more to get that precision, to get it extra flat. I don't know if you can see that. Let me do that. See how flat it is. So I'm going to flatten it out a bit more and then going in with my Pro Concealer. Okay, so I took out the little brush because the product is almost finished. Now I'm going to take just a little bit on both sides. You don't want to take a lot of product because it's going to be a hassle when it comes to blending. See, just taking a little bit. See, okay. I'm going to use the side first where there's a little bit. See, on this side is just a bit, and on this side is a bit more. And then from the middle of the brow, and then you form your arc. And then you sweep it right out. Can you see? And then you have to raise your eyebrows when you're doing your brows, or else you're gonna make a big mess. And just sweep out the excess product. Now I'm not gonna take some more concealer. I'm just gonna use the leftover concealer for the top part of my brows, because like I said, blending is a hassle for the top part of your brows. Now, where's my spoolie? You're going to take your spoolie and brush upwards right here in the beginning of your brows. Now you want to blend the rest of the pencil with the brows, because the brows are black and the pencil is brown, so you blending all of that out. And that is the first step, which is the brows. Now the next step is to prep your eyelids for your eyeshadow. I'm using a different concealer now because I'm using Avon's concealer because this one is much lighter. than the one that I use for my eyebrows. Just gonna take a few dabs. You don't want it to cake or to create buildup. I'm gonna blend in with the same brush that I use for my eyebrows, and I'm just going to blend it out. Now today I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. This is what the palette looks like, because I'm doing a bit of an easy look today. We're taking it easy, so that's the palette we are going for. Okay, now I'm taking this brush. I don't know the names of my brushes, guys, but this is a fluffy brush and it doesn't take much product, so that's what I need. I normally use this brush to blend out what I'm blend out the look that I'm creating, because I'm making a very soft look for the beginners. So that's the brush I'll be using right now. So I'm going to be taking this deep brown color here and creating a, let's take a bit of the brown to create the base of the look. Now I'm sweeping it outwards. And then the excess product, the excess powder that's left, I'm just gonna sweep it over the lid and onto my crease. I didn't take too much product because I'm not using, I'm not doing a bold look. So now I'm going to do a cut crease. Now this is going to be a beginner friendly cut crease. I'm not going to do a detailed one because that takes a bit too much time. I'm using the same brush that I use for my concealer, taking this light concealer from Avon. It's not the one that I use for my brows. See that? And then I'm gonna go in right in the corner of my eye and sweep it. I'm just going to do half a cut crease, sweep it right over there. Brush, but this one is a whole lot smaller, just to pack. This one is just to pack the color that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to take this light orange, because you see they're almost the same, not really the same, but then the two colors complement each other. So I'm going to take the orange. Now with this next technique, I'm going to show you, you don't sweep it, but you just pack it on so that it can pop. You see, just dab on the mascara, on the concealer. You don't sweep, you dab. And when you get to the end part where your concealer part ends, you just blend it with the brown color at the end. Doing the other eye now. Now we're going to move on to the eyeliner. with mascara. Okay, what in the mirror. Now I'm going to go in with my primer. So this is the primer from Scarlet Hill. It was, oh, still got the prices, 59 rand 60 baht. It's not too bad. It's still new, so in with my primer. Just a few dabs here. That's there. Now I'm going in with my LA Go Pro coverage. Now I'm going to mix my foundation because I want it to be a bit matte. So I'm gonna mix it with this Avon Flawless Ultra Matte. It's a bit lighter than my skin, that's why I'm gonna mix it with this. Just a drop. Just a drop. See, it's two different colors. I'm gonna take concealer brush to mix it and just paint over. I don't like using a lot of foundation. I just want a thin layer. Excuse the noise, guys. It's a bit rowdy outside. Now, after using your foundation brush, because it leaves some lines and stuff, I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender. Now, with your beauty blender, I like making it moist with my setting spray so that it smooths over. This is Mark from Avon. It's pretty great. Just missed my beauty blender. Just gonna go in over here to smooth out the fine lines from the brush. Now we are going to set your foundation with this pressed setting. Oh my god, I can't do this. There we go. I'm going to use this middle color here, and this is the brush that I'm using. Like I said, this is a beginner friendly tutorial. I'm not gonna contour my face. I'm just setting it now. So this compact also comes with a highlighter. That's the highlighter there. It's a bit of a deep bronze highlighter. I'm not gonna take much. Now when you highlight, you can highlight from just under your brow, and then just go straight down, or just right there. So I like highlighting that part there, just above your cheekbone. Just above your cheekbone. Now with the leftover powder, you want to highlight your nose, and it should be a straight line. It should go straight down, not the entire nose, guys. It should go straight down. And I just like a little dot there and there. Just blend it out. Now for the lips, we are going in with the MAC Liquid Matte in the color Dead Bear. But first, we need to line our lips. Then I'm going with my now I'm gonna take the same concealer brush to help blend in the lip liner and the lipstick. For the final touch, we are adding blush. This is just any store-bought blush. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Okay. This is the brush that I'm using. It's an all over. I don't know the name of my brushes, guys, but they do the work. So I'm gonna take some blush. Now, when you put on blush, you want it on your cheekbones, not on your entire cheek structure. So you need to smile and then dab. And then sweep it out. And then sweep it out. Now to end it all, we're going to set the entire face with setting spray. And done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching right until the end. I hope that you all enjoyed watching and you like the video. Till next time.